The curve, it's a cubic curve, has a stationary point at the point 3, -77. Number A, find the value of A and B. Okay. Now the curve has given us 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Okay. The curve is passing through a point 3, -77. So I am inputting here -77 and 3. Okay, so here -77, here 27 plus 3a plus b. Okay, so -77 minus 27 here, 3a plus b. Let me check the calculation for one more time. 3 cube is 27 times 2. Okay, 3 square is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 3a plus b. Okay, I am taking this like this way. After that, the curve has a stationary point at this particular point here, right? Okay, so 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. The first differentiation would be like 6x square minus 6x plus a. Since it's a stationary point, so ddx of y would be 0. So here is 0. 6x square minus 6x plus a at x equal to 3. So 0 equal 6 times 9 minus 6 times 3 is 18 plus a. So 0 equal 54 minus 18 plus a. So 0 is equal to 36 plus a. Okay, 54 minus 18, is it 36? Yeah, it is. So a is equal to minus 36. Yeah, the answer is correct. If a is equal to minus 36, then I have to substitute the value. Okay, so minus 77 minus 27, 3 times minus 36 here plus b. That means minus 77 minus 27 plus 108 is equal to b. So if I'm taking it 75 25, that would be 104. Okay, so minus 104 plus 108 is equal to b. That means b is equal to 4. Yeah, the answer is correct. A is equal to minus 36 and b is equal to 4. Our number A done. Now question number B, find the coordinates of the second stationary point on the curve. Okay, very good question. So y is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x. I am putting the value of a and b plus 4. Okay, so the first differentiation would be, okay, it would be 6x square minus 6x minus 36. For stationary point, it would become 0. So 6x square minus 6x minus 36 is equal to 0. So we can write it down like x square minus x minus 6. So what I have done here, I take 6 common from this part and I divided by 6 on the left hand side. Okay guys, so x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x square, okay, I am doing it, minus 3x plus 2x here. Okay, minus 6 is equal to 0. I am skipping one line guys here, x minus 3 and x plus 2 here is equal to 0. So our first x value would be 3 that we have used in the first stationary point. So here our second coordinate would be minus 2. Okay, we will use this for number B. If x equal to minus 2, then y should be 2 times minus 2 to the power cube minus 3 times minus 2 to the power square minus 36 times minus 2 and plus 4. So minus 16 minus 12 plus 72 plus 4. So minus 28 here and plus 76 here. Okay, so if I subtract this part, okay, I am taking it as a 30. So 70 is 40 there, 6 and 2 is 8. Yeah, it's 48. Absolutely. Excuse me guys, I'm not using calculator and I'm too lazy to find my calculator here. So that's it. So another stationary point would become excuse me guys. There are some people that we cannot ignore, right? So this is another stationary point. Yeah, minus 2 comma 48. Now the question number C. Determine the nature of the two stationary points. Okay, very good. So ddx of y, what we get actually? Six x square minus 6x minus 36. 6x square minus 6x minus 36. Okay, the second derivative of this thing would be 12 of x minus 6. Now we got two stationary point, one at x is equal to 3, another at x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so d square y, okay, here is a square. Okay, it would become 36 minus 6, 30 greater than 0. So minimum, that means at 3 comma minus 77 is minimum, and if x is equal to minus 2, it would become 12 times minus 2 is minus 24 minus 6 minus 30, which is less than 0. So we can conclude that minus 2 comma something, okay, 48 is a maximum. Yeah, that is. Yeah. Okay, so what should we do here? We have to do the second derivation here for minimum gradient, so which is 12x minus 6, right? For minimum gradient, okay, so the second derivative would be 0 here. So 12x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 12x is equal to 6, x is equal to 0.5. Then y must be, yeah, it must actually. So y must be 2 times 0.5. Okay, I'm taking this as a decimal. Sorry, it's a cube. Okay, 2 times 0.5 is technically this one, right? Okay, so 3 times 1 by 2 to the power square minus 36 times 1 by 2 plus 4, 2 by 8, 3 by 4 minus 18 plus 4. We have to calculate actually. If I take 8 as a LCM, so 2 minus 6, 80 and 64, right? 144, yeah, plus 32. So minus 150 plus 34 divided by 8. It would become 34, right? 116 minus 116 over 8. 14.5. It could be 14.5. Now there is no way out without using calculator. Minus 116 over 8. Yeah, minus 14.5. So we get the coordinate x comma y, where the minimum is smaller here. I mean the gradient is minimum here. 5 comma minus 14.5. Okay, we have to calculate the gradient as well. So 6 times 0.5 square minus 6 times 0.5 minus 36. 6 times 0.5 square minus 6 times 0.5 minus 36. So it's 37.5. Absolutely correct. Minus 37.5. This is the answer. Thank you guys. So I think this is not a challenge question. Pretty simple. Thanks.